Back in the old days, those drills were noisy and it's scary. But today it's a piece of cake going to the dentist. My name's Michael, and I've had multiple implants with Dr. Collins. When I was younger, I had a lot of dental problems. Being young and afraid of dentists was pretty normal back in 50s and 60s. So, but the last 25 years, the dental has changed so much that it's almost pleasant to compare to the old days. I don't have any fear at all now of going to the dentist.
Michael was missing multiple teeth on the upper and lower jaws, and so basically we were able to look at his mouth and see that he was missing bone in some areas. So we did a procedure to allow for implants to be placed in the upper jaw. In his lower jaw, we were able to do a procedure to widen the bone so that we could place the implant at the same time.
You don't know you have implants in there unless you're looking at them. You're not even aware that they're there. It's just like natural teeth.
And so ultimately, after a few months of that process, he was able to get his teeth and is just this happy, jovial guy that he was before, but even more so now that he's got that confidence to smile and do his normal daily routines.
I would say don't let your anxiety prevent you from making your life better.